Hi my friend, I am Ghafir and this is Arabic cartoon game. Today we have a summary of an episode of Dora's adventure. And this episode is the Dora the Explorer Stuck Track. And it is the second episode of the third season. In this episode, Dora and Boo's help ice cream truck. Let's start! The episode began with Dora and Boo's in tree house. Dora say, "Hola, so Dora." Boots say, "And I am Boots." Dora see Boots is showing me his room and all his trucks. Boots hung in a branch and say, "I love trucks. This is 10-wheeler. He got 10 big wheels. This is bulldozer. Nothing get in his way. This is crane. Crane can lift anything with her long arm. This is Rojo. He's a fire truck. This is tow truck. He's got a big hawk. He's got a pollen. And do you know what kind of truck this is? What truck is it? Ice cream, Boots." Boots say, "Ice cream truck, right." And this woman truck phone start beeping. Boots say, "Oh, that's my truck phone. It sounds like there is a truck in trouble." Dora say, "Which truck is in trouble, Boots?" Boots say, "I don't know, Dora. The picture is all blurry." Dora look at us and say, "Can you see which truck it is?" "Yes, Dora. It's ice cream truck." Dora say, "Yeah, ice cream truck is in trouble." Boots say, "Oh no." Boots take the truck phone and say, "Ice cream truck, this is monkey body. What's wrong, ice cream truck?" Ice cream truck say, "I am stuck in a ditch. Help." Boots say, "Don't worry, ice cream truck, we'll save you." Boots take the truck phone and say, "I've got to let all the truck know that ice cream truck is in trouble." Boots call all truck and say, "Calling all trucks. Calling all trucks. Ice cream trucks in trouble. We've got to save ice cream truck." Two truck say, "Two truck, on my way." Giant crane say, 10-4. Monkey body, crane is ready. 10-wheeler say, "Yavoy, vroom." 10-wheeler here with 10 big wheels. Rojo the fire truck, woo! Dora look at us and say, "Will you help us save ice cream truck?" "Yes, Dora." Dora say, "Great, come on." Dora and Boo sliding in tree house and see, wee! When they reach to the ground, cheering, "Yay!" and clapping hand each other and say, "All right." Boo say, "How do we find ice cream truck?" Dora say, "Who to ask for help when we don't know which way to go?" Boo say, "Map." Dora say, "Map, right. Will you check the map and find ice cream truck?" "Yes, Dora." Dora say, "You have to say map. Map." Boo say, "Louder, map." Map appear and start singing. "I am the map, I am the map, I am the map, I am the map. Here's the map, here's the map, here's the map, here's the map, I am the map." Dora and Boots are looking for ice cream truck. "Do you see ice cream truck?" "Yes, map." Map say, "Right, there he is." "Oh no, ice cream truck is stuck in the mud at Play Park." "Well, I know how to get to Play Park. First you go over Puzzle Bridge, then you go across Crocodile Lake, and that's how we get to Play Park to save ice cream truck." And the star appear and laughing. Fiesta Tree say, "Oh, star, it's trias." A map say, "Oh, star, try and catch star along the way." And now remember, bridge, leg, Play Park. See it with me. Bridge, leg, Play Park. Bridge, leg, Play Park. Bridge, leg, Play Park. Dora say, "Bridge, leg, Play Park." "Where do we go first?" "The bridge, Dora, the bridge." Dora say, "Bridge, right, Puzzle Bridge. So first we have to find Puzzle Bridge. Don't be star. Where is Puzzle Bridge?" "There, Dora." Boots say, "Yeah, there it is, but it's really far away." Dora and Boo start running. After a while they stop. Boots shouted, "Wow! And look at all this mud." Dora say, "We can't go through this mud by ourselves, Boots." Boots pick his truck phone and see we need to use the truck phone to find a truck that can help us. Boots shows the truck phone and say, "We need a truck with a lot of wheels that can drive us through the mud. Do you see 10-wheeler?" "Yes, Boots." Boots say, "Yeah, there he is." Boots called 10-wheeler. 10-wheeler say, "10-wheeler present, I am coming, yavoy." After a while, 10-wheeler reached to Dora and Boots and start cheering, "Yay!" Dora say, "10-wheeler here." 10-wheeler say, "Hola, Dora, hola, Boots." Would say, alright, Tin Wheeler, can you give us a ride through all this mud? Tin Wheeler say, sí, con mucho gusto. Hop on, suba. Dora and Boo's ride Tin Wheeler and use the seatbelt and say, seatbelt so we can be safe. At this moment, Dora and Boo start hearing a rustling sound. Dora say, uh-oh, that sounds like swiper. I would say that sneaky fox is always trying to swipe our stuff. He'll try to swipe your big wheels. I'll say, if you see swiper, yeah, swiper. Swiper! I'll say, you see swiper? Yes, Dora. I'll say, where? There, Dora. Dora and Boo saw swiper and shouted, swiper! Swiper swiped the tin wheeler and say, you're too late. And drew the tin wheeler away and say, you'll never find the big wheel now. Ha! Tin Wheeler say, uh-oh, and fall in the ground. Adora say, no te preocupes. Tin Wheeler will find you 10 big whales. Adora look at us and say, will you help us find Tin Wheeler 10 big whales? Yes, Dora. Adora say, great. We need to find all 10 whales. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. But say, yay, you found all 10 whales. Adora say, good counting. Tin Wheeler back to Tin Wheel and say, I am fixed, fantastico. At this moment they start hearing a tinkling music. But say, that's ice cream truck, we're coming, ice cream truck, we're coming. Tin Wheeler say, vámonos, vroom. Tin Wheeler get through the mud. After a while they reach the bridge. But say, puzzle bridge, alright. And jump out the Tin Wheeler and say, thanks Tin Wheeler. Adora say, gracias. Tin Wheeler say, de nada, good luck saving ice cream truck, and go away. But saw the bridge and say, oh no, some pieces of puzzle bridge fell out. Dora say, we can't go over puzzle bridge unless we can lift up all those heavy metal pieces. But say, and look how far down they are. But show us this truck phone and say, we need a truck with a long arm to lift up all those heavy metal pieces. Do you see giant crane? Yes, Boots. Boots, yeah, there she is. Boots call giant crane. Giant crane say, I'll be right there, monkey buddy. After a while they rush. Adora and Boots say, hi giant crane. Giant crane say, hi. Boots say, some heavy pieces fell out of puzzle bridge. Can you lift them back up? Giant crane say, I love lifting, but those pieces don't have anything for me to hook onto. I am going to need to use something that can pick up metal. Adora say, I bet I have something in my backpack that can pick up metal. Adora look at us and say, will you check my backpack for something that can pick up metal? Yes, Dora. Adora say, you have to see backpack. Backpack. Adora say, louder. Backpack. Backpack appearance start singing. Backpack, backpack. Backpack, backpack. Yeah. Hola trackers, Dora and Boost need something they can use to pick up metal. And let's do an experiment. This is metal. Can we use this to pick up metal? No, Backpack. Backpack say ups. That's a banana. Can we use this to pick up metal? Yes, Backpack. Backpack say yeah, a magnet pick up metals. Good thinking, muy bien. Yum 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 yum. Delicioso. The magnet get in the giant crane. Adora and Boost cheering, yay! Giant crane saying, now I can lift up the heavy pieces of metal, but I am going to need your help to put puzzle bridge back together. Adora say, the pieces that goes here is shaped like a triangle. Where is the triangle? There, Dora. Adora say, yeah, there it is. The giant crane get the triangle in his place. Adora say, the piece that goes here is shaped like a circle. Where is the circle? There, Dora. Adora says, see, I star. The giant crane get the circle to her place. Adora said, the piece that goes here is shaped like a diamond. Where is the diamond? There, Dora. Adora says, see, I star. The giant crane get the diamond to her place. Adora said, the piece that goes here has 8 sides. It's an octagon. Where is the octagon? There, Dora. Adora says, see, I star. The giant crane get the octagon to his place. Adora say, and look, we fixed puzzle bridge. Adora and Boost cheering, yay! Giant crane say, you're really good with chips. Dora and Boost get through the bridge. Dora and Boost turn and thank Giant Crane. Thanks, Giant Crane. Giant Crane say, you're welcome. Good luck saving ice cream truck. Dora and Boost clap hand each other, the three of us stop here and play happy tune for complete the mission. Boost say, where do we go next? Dora say, bridge, leg, play park. We went over the bridge. Where do we go next? The leg, Dora, the leg. Dora say, leg, right. Boost say, crocodile leg. Dora say, don't star. Where is crocodile leg? There, Dora. Dora say, see, I star. Abu say, there it is. Oh, crocodile leg is far away. Dora say, and the path is blocked with rocks and sticks. Abu pick his truck phone and see, we need a truck that can push the rocks and stick out of the way. Do you see bulldozer? Yes, Boots. Abu say, yeah, there he is. Boots call bulldozer. Bulldozer say, here I come. The bulldozer race to Dora and Boots. Dora say, yeah, it's bulldozer. Boots say, hi bulldozer. Can you get us draw all these rocks and sticks so we can go to crocodile leg? Bulldozer say, sure. I don't let anything get in my way. Hop on, Suba. Dora and Boost use seat belts and say, seat belts so we can be safe. At this moment they start touring and tinkling music. Boost say, ice cream truck really need our help. Boost take his truck phone and say, we're coming ice cream truck. Bulldozer get all the rocks and stick. Dora and Boost cheering, yay! And they continue their way to crocodile leg. After a while they start running, they start laughing. But say, I heard star. Dora say, it's Tria. Do you see star? Yes, Dora. Star say, try and catch us, try and catch us, catch us, catch us. A blue star appear and start honking. Dora say, look and explore star. It's noisy star. He'll help us along the way. We need to catch the star. I reach up to catch the star. I reach up. Catch them, catch them, catch them. Dora and Bush catch the star. Dora say, we caught them. Did we catch Noisy? Yes, Dora. Noisy start honking. Bush say, yes. Dora say, let's put them in the star pocket. Star get in the star pocket and say, the star pocket, yippee, ha. Dora say, good, start catching. Bush say, thanks for the ride, bulldozer. Bulldozer say, you're welcome. Dora and Boost continue their way. After a while they reach to the leg. Dora say, we made it to crocodile leg. But how are we going to get across crocodile leg? Boost pick his truck phone and see, we need a truck with a long ladder to lift us up over the crocodile. Do you see Rojo the fire truck? Yes, Boots. Boots say, yeah, there he is. Boost call Rojo the fire truck. Rojo say, hola Pomperos, I am on my way. Wee, wee, wee. After a while, they reach to Dora and Boots. Dora say, Mera, here is Rojo. Rojo say, hola Dora, hola Boots, Suban. Dora and Boots get in the Rojo ladder. Rojo start pulling Dora and Boots through the crocodile leg. Boots say, hey Dora, I don't want to pop onto any crocodiles. Dora say, me neither, Boots. When we say crocodile, we need to tell Rojo to lift us up. Rojo can speak Spanish. To see up, we say arriba. Can you see arriba? Yes, Dora, arriba. Dora say, see arriba, arriba. A crocodile up there. Would say, a crocodile. Dora say, we need to go up. See arriba, arriba. A crocodile up there. Would say, a crocodile. Dora say, we need to go up. See arriba, arriba. Louder, arriba. Would say, a crocodile. Dora say, we need to go up. Sit with us, arriba. Dora and Boost get through the crocodile leg. The three of us stop here and play happy tune for complete the mission. Dora and Boost cheering, yay! Boost say, we made it all the while a crocodile leg. Dora say, thanks for helping and thanks for the ride, Rojo. Rojo say, con mucho gusto. Wee, wee, wee. Buena suerte and go away. Boost say, we're almost to ice cream truck. Where do we go next? Dora say, bridge, leg, play park. We went over the bridge. We went across the lake. Where do we go next? Play park, Dora. The play park. Dora say, play park, right. So next we need to find play park. Don't stop play park. There, Dora. Dora see, I stop. Dora and Boo start hearing a tinkling music. Dora say, I heard ice cream truck. Dora and Boo start running. After a while they reach to the ice cream truck. Ice cream truck shouted, help, help. Dora say, look, ice cream truck is stuck in a ditch. Dora say, hey, ice cream truck. Ice cream truck say, oh, you're here. Boo say, we'll help you, ice cream truck. We need a truck with a big hook that can help us get ice cream truck out of the ditch. Do you see 2 truck? Yes, Boots. Boots, yeah, there he is. Boots called 2 truck. 2 truck say, 10-4, monkey body, I am right on your tail. 2 truck race to Dora and Boots. Dora and Boots shoot 2 truck and cheer, yay! Boots say, 2 truck. Boots go to ice cream truck and say, don't worry, ice cream truck. Ice cream truck say, okay, but hurry please. 2 truck say, I can't do it. I brought my special new big hook. This hook will get you out for sure. Ice cream truck say, wow, great hook, 2 truck. 2 truck say, thank you, now we just need to hook the child onto. At this moment, the Noisy start honking. Dora say, it's Noisy, he's trying to warn us about something. Noisy start honking. Toot! Dora say, do you see what Noisy warning us about? Swapper, Dora, Swapper! Dora say, Swapper, you see Swapper? Yes, Dora. Dora say, oh no, he had for the hawk. We have to say Swapper, no Swapper. Swapper, no Swapper. Swapper, no Swapper. Swapper, no Swapper. Swapper say, oh man, and go for good. And oh, Shirinyai. But say, we stopped Swapper. Dora say, thanks for helping, and thanks Noisy. Noisy start honking. 2 truck say, okay, it's time to get ice cream truck out of the ditch. I need your help to turn the handle. Dora say, will you help me turn the handle? Yes, Dora. Dora say, great. Put your hand out in front of you and grab the handle. Now make a big circle with your hand and turn. Dora and pull the ice cream for the ditch. Dora say, go turn. Dora and Bush cheer, hooray! Bush say, ice cream truck isn't stuck anymore. Ice cream truck say, thanks for pulling me out of the mud. I knew you come, monkey buddy. Bush say, ice cream truck, what are you doing here? Ice cream truck say, I am bringing ice cream to everybody at Play Park. Dora and Bush clap hand each other and say, all right. Ice cream truck say, come on. Ice cream truck go. Dora and Bush go after her. After a while, they reach to Play Park, and all our friends there, Benny say, ice cream! Chico say, helados! He says, it's the ice cream truck! Ice cream truck say, ice cream for everyone! And they all Shirinyai! Benny say, thanks ice cream truck! Chico say, gracias! He says, yum! Abu say, Adorando say, delicioso! And they all share, hooray! The three of us stop there and play happy tune for complete the mission. Adorando Busi, we did it! And they all start singing the final song. Thanks my friend for watching my video. See you soon. Bye bye.